Hello everyone, I'm Sunanta from SNS College of Technology, Department of Mathematics. Here in this lecture video series, we are going to see what is probability, axioms of probability, conditional probability, total probability, DD, design thinking video based on probability, and the real life case study based on this probability in this lecture video series. So in the first video, we are going to see what is axioms of probability. So here is what is probability and what are the basic concepts or basic definitions in probability. So the first one is what is probability. Why do we need probability? So the probability is a study of uncertainty, or the probability is a measure of likelihood of an event. For example, why do we have to use this probability? For example, in real life and all, to predict whether it will rain today or not, we can use this probability. To predict the match wins, for example, in cricket, the win and lose can be predicted using this probability. And there are few basic definitions of probability. First one was what is sample space. The sample space is the collection of all possible outcomes of an event. Next, what is an event? Event is a subspace of a sample space. Next is an outcome. So the result of a single trial of an experiment is called outcome. So for example, if we are tossing a coin, that will be an event. Getting a tail and head is an outcome. So the sample space will be the number of outcomes, that is 2. That will be the sample space. So the probability is calculated using the formula P of A is equal to number of favorable cases divided by number of that is the total number of sample space. Here this is what is DT, empathy part, in which the axioms of probability, the fundamental rules of governing probability comes under axioms of probability. Next is a sample space, the set of all possible outcomes. Next, event is a specific outcome within the sample space. Next is an application. So in this we are going to deal where we can use this probability in real life. Next is an axioms of probability, in which we are having 3 axioms. The first one is probability of sample space S1. That is the sample space will be denoted by capital S. So therefore P of capital S will be equal to 1. That will be our first axiom. Second axiom is the probability of any event is non-negative. Therefore, which implies that any event will not be non-negative. That is there will be no non-negative events. Next, the third axiom will be the probability of union of mutually exclusive event is sum of probabilities. For examples, if we are having A1, A2, A3, etc., A and B the mutually exclusive events, then P of A1 union P of A2 union P of A3 union etc. will be equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 plus P of A3 etc. up to P of AN will be the probability of mutually exclusive events. Then we have few results which are P of null set will be equal to 0. That is, there won't be any null set. Similarly, P of A bar equal to 1 minus P of A, P of B bar equal to 1 minus P of B, P of A bar intersection B bar equal to P of A union B the whole bar. Similarly, P of A bar intersection B bar equal to P of A union B the whole bar. Next, complement also like this. Then we have some given form conditional probability formulas and etc., which we will be seeing in the next upcoming videos. So here is the real life or where this axioms of probabilities are used. So first is in risk management or risk assessment. So this insurance companies use these axioms to calculate the risk and they will set the premiums for persons. Next is weather forecast. So this axioms is predicting the likelihood of weather events, whether it rains or not, all calculated using this probability. Next, in games also this probability is used. So the axioms helps in understanding probabilities in games of change. So here is the probability applications. First one is roulette rule, roulette's wheel. So the game of chance rely on probability. Next in insurance policies, next in weather forecasting. So here is the small recap of what we have seen in this video. In the first, we have seen what is a probability. Next, we have seen the basic concepts or basic definitions in probability, like a trial, event, outcome, sample space and all. Next, we have seen the three axioms. Next, we discussed about where these axioms are used in real life. So in the upcoming video, let us discuss about total probability and conditional probability. Thank you.